everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a nice Discord server in 7 easy steps. So step 1, you have to go to any web browser, type Discord, and then download it for your PC. And then step 2, you have to open and look or add or create a server by tapping the plus button there. Choose between the two. Okay. Step 3, you have to create a perfect name for your server, something catchy. This is just an example, of course. And then after that, click create. Step 4, select the perfect location or region or country for your server. So for example, I'm going to choose Hong Kong. This is just an example, but I heard that Hong Kong server is fast. And then, I mean, the connection is fast, but everything is up to you. Okay, step 5, you can now go back and step 5, choose an image or icon for your server. Actually, I did it earlier, but to do that, you just have to go to your server settings. Okay, tap this one, go to settings, and then click this upload image to change your image here, icon here, or profile. Step 7, add some roles. So you can create roles, you can add something like colors, you can edit everything here, add permissions, links, manage members, something like that. Okay, and then step 7, what you're going to do is to simply invite people for your server, add people for your server. To do that, you just have to go to server settings. I'm going to tap this one, scroll down, and click invite people. You can add them automatically, or you can copy this link and then send it to any of your social media accounts. And then your friends will click this one and they will be invited to your server. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.